My family and I went to Lowe's because they had a bunch of inflatables on sale, but the one that my wife really wanted was this 12.5 feet snowman. So we bought it, took it home, and unboxed it. It came with instructions, a deflated snowman, stakes, and ropes. Let's set up this snowman right now.
Let's do this. So I'm gonna put it right here on the very corner. Guys, before you blow, don't forget to close the zipper. In the bottom, guys, it has its own base, and it has 1, 2, 3, and 4 base. That's for your tape. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to put it right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Hammer it. Right. 2 more, guys, right here. Left hips of your snowman. Another hips of your snowman. So right now, while it's deflated, all you have to do is get the white and then like that. Make sure it is properly connected. And we're going to do exactly the same on the other side. And we're good to go. Alright guys, so I have my extension wires and then we're going to plug right now. Our snowman is slowly inflating.
Okay, go. It started to get really windy outside, so my wife had to hammer fast.
Alright.
Snowman was still being bullied by the wind, so my wife had to do something different.
See guys, this is what I'm talking to you, that the stake is too cute that the wind blow it away. You pull it out, this is windy, so I'm gonna use a big stake. See that?
Not only did we use our own stakes, we had to use 2 extra ropes, one on the left and one on the right hip of Snowman. And once again, wife had to hammer fast.
Hey guys, so we're almost done. I'm just making sure that it's really all the way through here. So when the wind is strong, there you go guys. So this is our inflatable snowman!
If you guys got value from this video, please like, subscribe, and click the bell for the latest videos. Check out these other vids that are similar to this one. Until then, I'll see you at the next item.